Hello, welcome to my page. My name is Adese. You say, are you looking for profitable gig ideas to sell on Fiverr in 2023? Okay, look no more. The profitable ideas are here. As the gig industries continue to grow more and more, many people are looking for more ways to make money and from the comfort of their homes. Working remotely may not be easy at first, and the difficult part is to find prospects and the right gigs. So here I am with 60 most profitable gig ideas to sell on Fiverr. So find the apt one for yourself now. You can sign up on fiverr.com and earn between $5 and $200 plus daily, depending on your expertise, accuracy, and experience level. Fiverr is one of the most popular platforms for freelancers to offer their services and make money. With the right skill and knowledge, you can make a good living on Fiverr. Fiverr is a website that can help you earn more money than you have ever dreamed of. So in this blog post from adeseucblog.com, we are going to explore 60 profitable gig ideas to sell on Fiverr in 2023. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced freelancer, these ideas will help you make money on Fiverr. So here are 60 profitable gig ideas to sell on Fiverr in 2023. Number one is logo design. 2, proofreading and editing. 3, web design. 4, design book covers. 5, SEO services. 6, video assistant. 7, social media management. 8, ad campaign. 9, video editing. 10, creating video greetings or intro. 11, copywriting. 12, graphic design. 13, digital marketing. 14, voiceover service. 15, article writing. 16, website testing. 17, animation services. 18, creating flyers and brochure, leaflet, business card, postcard, etc. 19, transcription services. 20, WordPress shooter. 21, data entry services. 22, create diet plan. 23, give tips to new parents. 24, whiteboard animation video. 25, product description. 26, slideshow videos. 27, making video tutorials. 28, architecture and interior design. 29, website designing. 30, mobile app development. 31, viral promoter. 32, e-commerce development. 33, offer linguistic services. 34, game development. 35, astrology. 36, infographic designs. 37, email marketing. 38, creating gifts out of recycled material. 39, high quality backlinks. This has to be the website. 40, financial consulting. So if you don't have idea about finance and have no experience in it, kindly do not offer this service. 41, on page and off page SEO. 42, writing reviews. 43, improving website speed. 44, SEO content writing. 45, social media page setup. 46, guest post writing. 47, travel planner. 48, legal consultation. 49, infographic design. 50, cartoonist. 51, create NFTs. 52, craft jewelry. 53, relationship advisor. 54, social media manager. 55, spiritual and healing therapies. 56, writing CV letter and resume. 57, online lesson. 58, 3D and 2D modeling. 59, Python coding. 60, business consulting, and this is the last one. Okay, with all these gig ideas here, the best Fiverr gig for you are the one you have knowledge about. So for example, you are an expert in logo design. You can combine logo design and graphic design services. The more you deliver high quality services, the better you rank on the platform and the higher you will pay. So before choosing any gig, kindly ensure that you are good at it and can handle questions related to it. Therefore, go ahead and stand apart from others by unleashing your skill. Alright, this is the end of today's video. Thank you for being part. Thank you for watching the video. And if you are seeing this video on YouTube, kindly subscribe. If you are seeing it on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook, kindly follow me for more interesting and informative videos. Okay, so don't forget to visit my website. You can see some other interesting and informative posts. Don't forget to visit at www.adezewusiblog.com. Don't forget to visit. Alright, and see you in my next video, and thank you. Bye for now.